may competition pa dito sa YMCA. Ganda ng pool nila eh. Very Canadian. Parang nagpa-practice sila, nagdi-drill. Nice. Galing. Do you wanna play that game, kuya? No? Okay.
Hello, Mom! Welcome back to our channel!
Welcome back, Calgary. Welcome back, Canada.
Maayong buntag sa inyong
Maayong
tanan.
buntag sa inyong tanan. Maayong adlaw.
So ngayon, meron kaming biglaang lakad. Malamig, pero dahil
walang nagagawa kasi yung mga bata, kawawa lang sila sa bahay. So, nung nag-aya si Kuya Alan na let's go to YMCA para mag-swimming
Swimming ang
dito
kids.
sa Brookfield. Let's go!
ayun, so may indoor swimming pool sila sa YMCA. So ano siya, parang hot pool.
Hot pool.
So kahit winter,
Sarap.
pwede kang mag-swimming. So yun yung gagawin namin today. Kasama sila Sis Mulet and mga bata.
Mga bata. After natin mag-swimming dito, around 1 to 2 hours siguro, pupuntahan natin yung sina Jess ni Paolo
In Canada.
in Canada.
Yeah.
Thanks for your comment. Pupuntahan namin ng Sky Paris mamaya. Actually,
May try
na-research ko
natin.
na siya. Mukhang masarap talaga. So, ito try namin. So, this is gonna be part of our food crawl in Calgary again.
Yes.
So, i-review natin. Medyo nagugutom na nga ako, bro eh. So, ganun talaga. Tapusin na muna
Activities
natin
muna
tong swimming.
tayo.
Yeah. Swimming muna tayo and then kain tayo later. So, see you!
Brookfield Residential. So second time na namin dito mag-swimming. And second time. So let's go! Hey! Ayan, may hockey, skating sila dito as well. Parang may game today kasi may mga nakapila dun sa ano. Yeah. And they cleaning up.
Swimming pool.
And eto yung swimming pool. Parang meron ding competition na nangyayari. Ayan, Kuya David! YMCA, let's go! Excited na kayo? Opo! Let's buy ticket. Dito yung bilihan. Kasi yung first time namin, dito kami pumila.
Napapasok na. Mag-register ka pa muna, no? Yup. So, may registration booth sila dito sa harap. Counter. Grade 6 students get free membership to this YMCA. Oh, wow! Alright, there you go. Thank you. Okay, we're going. Kuya David, we're going now. Kuya, your jacket, please. Kuya, your jacket. Yeah. Give it to daddy. Go. Whoa! Diyan kami pupunta sa water park ni David. Let's go, kuya! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hold the rails. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Come on.
A few moments later.
Hey fam! Successful gala tonight. Ayan oh. Wow, naka 2 hours din kami with the kids. Kami na yung napagod and nagutom na. So pupunta kami sa Sky Paris at Erin Woods. So, see you later at tikman natin kung ano ang mga recommendation doon and best seller. So see you later fam! Oh, and Ate Aliana, say hi too! Hi! Okay, see you later! Takbuhan time! Papunta na kami ng Sky Paris. Malabas pa lang dito sa YMCA Brookfield na napakaganda. And that's my Lianica Deneira. Let's go!
Sky Paris. Malapit na tayo dito. Nasaan na to? Nasaan yung Sky Paris?
Ayun! Ayun! Sky
ito
Food
pala.
Company Paris. Let's see.
At we are here.
Dito na at gutom ng mga kiddos. Andito na kami ni Lian. We're going to try Sky Food Paris. Love you. Okay. Wala. Nasa Sky Paris kami. Bulalo Paris. Beef Paris, spicy bobbies, may chicken inasal, beef tapa rancho. Ano tayo, love? Ano order natin?
Ito parang mukhang okay to that.
Oh, may balot.
Oo.
The Philippines' most famous egg delicacy.
Show my rice. Parang na,
Here,
lang kayo.
show my rice. College na college days lang. Here, may kiam, may goto. Lang yung place, pero I think masarap yung pagkain. Yeah. Upo ka na. Eating time. Siyempre kanin. And the Paris and siomai. Yun. So let's start. And then sina sister. Andyan na sis yung sa inyo. Sige, let's eat. Oh, pray na kuya, pray na. Pray na ikaw kuya. Pray na ikaw kuya. Fam, kakauwi lang namin. And sobrang busog pa namin ni Donna. But then, ang mga kids ay nagme-merienda pa. So, I don't know. Madami din naman silang nakain dun sa Paris. And as well as nag-enjoy kami sa swimming with Aliana, Kuya Alan, and Monette. That's all for today. And thanks for watching again. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Alba Fam Bam. So have a good night everyone and hang loose.